Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So we played this song. I got my own. It's a normal aria pattern, right? Aria style of music. So I played the bass line and I just feel just come and share it out to you guys because one or two guys mentioned it and they were like, I should just come and teach them. Yes, so I'm just here to do that, right? So just stay tuned. So I'm just here. This is my key. I'm just in this key. So I got my own fa, five, then four. I got my own. You get it? So that's the progression. So it's a 4, 5, 4, 1. That's the progression of the song, right? So when playing Ariaria song, Ariaria, Highlife, Marcos 7, right? It's advisable for your hands to be around here. It's going to give you that round percussive sound we're actually looking for. Then also you mix your knobs very well. At least your high can be 12 o'clock. Your mid also can be a little bit 12 o'clock or maybe just a little after 12 o'clock. Then you need more of that low to give it that round nature, right? So you know, it's very between and here is more nasal when playing here than playing here. You get it. Even when playing reggae music, also you can just right. So let me just go straight to the point, right? So this is what I'm playing. You get it? So fa 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 fa, right? La re so so, right? Then re so so, then ti so, then do fa 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 mi re so do mi so so so, then do so. That's also right. La re so so, do fa 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 la re so so so. La re so so re so so so, then D so, right? So that's the first part. So again, you see the first part, right? So I'm using my thumb here for as a support system. You can actually use either your index and your what do you call it, and your middle, right? I'm just used to the used to the thumb, or used to play with the thumb, right? It helps give me that support I'm looking for. So you get it. You see, right? So I got my own. And the second part is fa 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 mi re so do mi so so so, then do so, right? So you get it. So that's just how it works. That's just how it works, right? Very simple. I got my own. You get it. So you know, playing the bass and singing all together is kind of crazy. There's a lot of separation out there, right? So I got my own. fa 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 mi re so do mi so then do so. That's just all, right? Yes, so just try it out with the tempo as slow as possible before you get to your desired tempo. I'm going to see you in my next video. I will do more of this, right? And I'll figure out more progressions for us to practice with, so that when you're in church or on stage playing any other kind of song and you know that you've practiced that particular progression, it will be more easier for you to just apply it. I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you.
Hello, guys. My name is Kelvin James. I'm a professional award winning bass player with over 2 decades of playing actively and over 9 years of teaching consistently. I've taught over 1,000 students both online and offline, right? So I have experience. I did try. So if you're a beginner and you want to learn how to play the bass, you have no idea of what the bass guitar is all about, and you want to start, I have a course compiled on Udemy. Right, it's very comprehensive and affordable. I'm sure you can afford it. And also, if you're an intermediate, you want to get advanced, right, in your play, I also like you to get the course. It's very affordable, like I said earlier, very affordable, right? The link is on my bio, and I also drop the link in the comment section. Please go get it. I'm sure you're not going to regret it. Also, if you want the private classes with me, send me a DM so we can talk actually, right? So it's actually different plan altogether, right? But I'm sure you can also afford it. I'm going to see you guys. Thank you.